Hello everyone, welcome to the part 2 of FP&A video. We are making this video especially focusing how the AI is changing the landscape in FP&A space. We have already created one video about the traditional FP&A. If you haven't yet watched it, check out in the I button or check out our playlist. And let's dive into the uh, AI use cases in FP&A, how this AI is changing the landscape, and if you are currently working in finance or thinking of pivoting to the financial planning and analysis space, you need to watch this video till then. So let's start with the first uh, use case, and we are talking about AI enabled FP&A here. So AI powered forecasting. Instead of relying on only on the manual created assumptions, AI is analyzing historical financial data, sales trends, seasonalities, and other business drivers to identify patterns and generate forecast. So if I need to summarize in a single thing, equation rather, how AI generated forecast works, what I will say is it is summation of historical financials plus sales trends plus the business seasonalities uh, plus business drivers. So this is in a summation of how AI generated forecast works beyond behind the background. The shift where exactly is from the traditional FP&A is like it is from manual assumption building to pattern recognition across real time business drivers. So earlier, the financial analyst or a FP&A analyst used to build forecast with some assumptions and data, obviously, which used to take some time. And now the cycle time is reduced based on the AI capabilities to skim through the data at a large and at a huge speed as against the humans, and also generate insights from it, which is helping here in an AI powered forecasting. Let's move on to the second use case. We are talking about automated variance analysis. When the variance analysis is in the picture, it's always about the decision making. This uh, starts your decision making process in FP&A. So based on the analysis of the variance, the CFO or the CXO team takes some major decision in organization. So AI automatically identifies significant variance and highlights the likely drivers behind them. You can see on your screen the two things. One is on the left side, the traditional thing. It used to just flag revenue is down 8%, and this was the result of the variance analysis. On top of it, an analyst then needed to spend hours digging into data and spreadsheet to find out the exact reason why the revenue was down by 8%. But now AI enabled variance analysis, what it does, it don't just stop at and say provide the informations that revenue is down by 8%. It also gives the primary driving reason behind that, like why the revenue was down. For example, let's say here it was because of lower sales volume in a specific region A, or say call it as region Americas, and to a particular customer segment. The analyst here focuses on understanding the business not finding the variance. So this is a major shift. And now moving on to our third use case is natural language interaction. Now, instead of building multiple Excel reports, a CFO uh, now simply what he can do is he can simply pick up the phone and ask an AI enable FP&A assistant that why did EBITDA decline this quarter. Earlier, um, probably the CFO used to send an email to his subordinate, the reason for the same, asking what's the reason behind the particular financial variable to go down or to go up, and it used to take longer time. Now this has been taken over by a AI enabled FP&A assistant, which can be accessible within your phone or within your laptop or say company system. So what the AI does is it analyzes the underlying financial data and presents the relevant insights within minutes, all through plain language. The fourth and the final use case here is scenario planning. AI helps FP&A teams quickly test different assumptions and understand potential outcomes. So the FP&A function is moving from the traditional way, like the data collections, reporting, analysis, to real-time insights, predictive forecasting, and decision support. So to summarize the future of FP&A, AI doesn't mean like FP&A becoming fully automated. It means financial professional focus more on business partnering, judgments, and strategic decisions. The AI will take up the role of analyzing data, and your finance professionals will focus on judgments and decisions making. FP&A is evolving from a traditional reporting function into an AI enabled strategic decision making function. And that was a summary of how AI is affecting this entire FP&A space. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get the all the latest videos. And if you haven't yet watched the traditional financial planning and analysis video, you can find it either in the I button or in the description. Also, we are coming up with a series of bonus AI practical use cases in daily life. To give you an example, you can get and track your expenses, daily expenses, um, and set it or schedule it in your Telegram or say in your WhatsApp at a particular time and get the updated reports or say updated expenses in a particular time frame. And this automation we have built, I personally use it myself on my phone. So we are coming up with free way how to utilize free resources and build it for yourself. We will provide the template. Don't forget to subscribe this channel so that you get the notification once it's uploaded. And this was one of the use case. We have lot of other more than 20 plus use cases coming up, so stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching Fintorch.